I was completely broke last Tuesday. Not like a little short on cash broke. I mean nothing. Empty wallet, empty account. So I did something most people never think to do. I opened 4 AI apps on my phone and asked them all the exact same question. Here is what I typed. I need to make $1,000 as fast as possible. I have 0 skills and $0. What should I do? Same question. 4 different AIs. 4 completely different answers. And one of them gave me advice that could have destroyed my finances completely. Let me walk you through all 4. First, ChatGPT. ChatGPT gave me the safe answer. Sell your old stuff. Do gigs on Fiverr. Sign up for DoorDash. Honestly, not bad advice, but my grandmother could have told me that. Realism, 9 out of 10. Legal, 10 out of 10. Easy to do, 8 out of 10. ChatGPT gets a B. Reliable, gets the job done. About as exciting as a Toyota Camry. Next up, Claude. This one actually surprised me. Claude did not just throw a list at me. It asked about my specific situation first. Then it said something that actually made sense. Text 20 people you already know. Pick one thing you can do today. Offer it to them right now. Simple, practical, actually works. Realism, 8 out of 10. Legal, 10 out of 10. Easy to do, 7 out of 10. Claude gets a B+. Most practical advice of the 4. Not flashy, just actually useful. Then there was Gemini. Gemini gave me a lot of information. Way too much information. Start a dropshipping business. Invest in the stock market. Launch an online course. I said I need money fast. Not a 6-month business plan. But buried somewhere inside all that chaos was one genuinely good idea. Flip free stuff from Craigslist. On Facebook Marketplace. That one actually works in real life. Realism, 6 out of 10. Legal, 9 out of 10. Easy to do, 5 out of 10. Gemini gets a C+. Smart, but all over the place. And now, Grok. This is the one I warned you about. At the very beginning, Grok told me to day trade crypto with borrowed money. Read that again. Borrowed money. If you are actually struggling right now, and you follow that advice, you are not going to make $1,000. You are going to owe $1,000. Realism, 4 out of 10. Legal, 7 out of 10. Easy to do, 3 out of 10. Grok gets a D. Entertaining advice. Genuinely dangerous in real life. So here are the final rankings. 4th place, Grok. 3rd place, Gemini. 2nd place, ChatGPT. And the winner is Claude. Not because it gave the most impressive answer, but because it actually treated me like a real person with a real problem. Now, here is the part none of the AIs told you. The fastest way to make $1,000 has nothing to do with apps or algorithms. Text 10 people you know right now. Offer them one thing you can do today. Mow a lawn, clean a car, move some furniture. Real people with real money will always beat AI advice on a bad day. Which AI would you actually trust with your money decisions? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And subscribe because next I am handing all 4 of these AIs $100 real to invest. We are going to see exactly who wins. Trust me, you do not want to miss that one. Quick note, AI results are never the same twice. What these tools told me today might be completely different from what they tell you tomorrow. That is not a bug, that is AI. And that is exactly why this channel exists.